6 schools in 6 years, been kicked out of every place. Everything I ever do is wrong, never find where I belong. Everybody on my case. Same old stories, the same old song. Don't act up, don't act out, be strong. I keep my head down, I keep my chin up, but it ends up all the same with pack your bags, Percy, always to blame. I never try to do anything, I never mean to hurt anyone. I try to be a good kid, a good kid, a good son. But no one will ever take my side. All I ever do is take the fall. I swear I'm a good kid. Yes, I'm good for nothing at all. Gabe was a world-class jerk. Dad was never there. The only family that really mattered. Well, she vanished into there. And now I finally found a haven, somewhere I stay safe. So it's pack your bags, Percy, now go away. I never try to do anything, I never mean to hurt anyone. I swear that I'm a good kid. Yeah, Percy, that's a good one. But no one will ever take my side. All I ever do is take the fall. I swear I'm a good kid. Guess I'm good for nothing at all. These schools in 6 years, every battle, every day. No one ever tells me that they're proud. No one asks me, Percy, how do you like to come round and stay? All you get are bad grades and a bum rap and a bad rep and a good smack and no friends and no hope and no mom. She's taken away. I swear I never stole anything, I never meant to hurt anyone. I swear I'm a good kid who's had a bad run. And all I need is one last chance to prove I'm good enough for someone. I'm good enough for someone. I'm good enough for someone.